Digital distractions are stealing your precious daily time. Do you feel constantly overwhelmed by noisy notifications? Let us master focus in this digital age. We will explore how our brains stay focused. Are you ready to reclaim your deep concentration? Modern workplaces are filled with constant digital buzz. Your phone creates dopamine loops throughout the day. Every ping pulls you away from deep work. This multitasking habit is killing your mental clarity. Scientific studies show it takes time to refocus. Let us analyze why focus is so fragile. Your brain loves new information and shiny alerts. This primitive desire causes your attention to fracture. Think of your mind like a powerful muscle. Focus needs training to become strong and reliable. Distraction is just a bad habit to break. Start by acknowledging the problem in your day. You cannot focus if you are always interrupted. Creating a quiet environment is your first step. Silence your phone to minimize the constant interruptions. Physical clutter often leads to mental scattered thoughts. Clean your desk to help clear your mind. Keep only essential tools near your working space. A simple desk setup promotes a simple mind. Now let us talk about your work schedule. Batching tasks is a great way to start. Do not jump between different types of tasks. Group similar activities together for better mental flow. This saves your energy for more important work. Your brain appreciates structured and clear daily routines. Establish specific blocks for your deep focus time. Tell your colleagues when you are busy working. Boundaries are essential for protecting your precious time. Most people never set clear boundaries at work. Be the one who protects their own energy. Let us look at the power of rest. Taking short breaks actually boosts your overall productivity. Your brain needs time to process new information. Walk away from your screen every single hour. Stretch your body to release the tension buildup. Hydration is key for maintaining your peak energy. Keep water nearby to stay refreshed all day. Avoid sugary snacks that cause sudden energy crashes. Stable blood sugar leads to very stable focus. Now consider the digital tools you currently use. Some apps are designed to steal your attention. Audit your phone and remove all useless apps. Keep your digital workspace clean and very organized. Delete files that you do not actually need. Less digital clutter means much more mental space. Psychology teaches us about the flow state experience. This is when time disappears into your work. You feel fully engaged and completely in control. Flow happens when difficulty matches your high skill. Seek challenges that push your current mental boundaries. Avoid tasks that feel too easy or boring. Boredom causes your mind to seek external distractions. Engagement is the natural enemy of digital distraction. Define your most important goal for every day. Accomplish that one main thing before doing anything. Your mood significantly impacts your ability to focus. Stress makes it impossible to think very clearly. Practice deep breathing to lower your stress levels. A calm mind is a very focused mind. Try to meditate for 5 minutes every morning. This habit builds your capacity for sustained attention. Your sleep is crucial for your brain health. Poor sleep habits ruin your ability to concentrate. Go to bed earlier for better mental recovery. Consistent sleep schedules will sharpen your focus daily. Stop checking emails right after you wake up. That ruins your focus for the entire morning. Start your day with proactive and deep tasks. Reacting to messages makes you feel very powerless. Proactive work makes you feel strong and capable. Identify when you are most alert each day. Schedule your hardest work for that peak time. Do easier tasks when you feel less energetic. Respect your own natural energy cycles at work. Listen to your body and rest when needed. Use timers to track your deep work sessions. Pomodoro technique is very effective for busy people. Work 25 minutes, then take short break. These cycles keep you fresh and highly motivated. You will see results very quickly this way. Reflection is a vital part of your growth. Review what worked well during your busy week. Adjust your methods to keep improving your focus. You have all the power to change habits. Small changes lead to very big future results. Believe in your ability to master your mind. This journey takes patience and very much practice. Every day is a fresh start for you. Keep going even when you have bad days. You are building a stronger and better version. Thank you for watching this Focus Masterclass. Please like and subscribe for more useful tips. Which of these signs did you feel today? Share your personal story in the comments below. Start today and reclaim your focused, productive life.